Do you want a life that is cleaner, stronger, and closer to Allah? Surah Al-A shows that path. Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to Quran with Rahim. Surah 87. Al-A meaning the Most High. This surah was revealed in Mecca. Its main message is that Allah is the Most High, the creator and controller of everything, and true success comes through remembering Him, purifying ourselves, and preparing for the hereafter. This surah matters because many people become busy with this life and forget Allah. This surah reminds us who Allah is and what real success looks like. Verse 1. Sabbih isma rabbika al-a'la. Glorify the name of your Lord, the Most High. Meaning, praise Allah and honor Him because He is above all and greater than everything. Verse 2. Alladhi khalaqa fasawwa. Who created and then formed perfectly. Meaning, Allah created everything and gave it the right form and order. Verse 3. Walladhi qaddara fahada. And who measured and then guided. Meaning, Allah planned everything with wisdom and guided every creation to its path. Verse 4. Walladhi akhraj al-mar'a. And who brings out the pasture. Meaning, Allah causes plants and food to grow from the earth. Verse 5. فَجَعَلَهُ غُثَاءً أَحْوَى. Then makes it dry and dark. Meaning, after growing, plants dry up and fade. This reminds us that worldly life does not last. Verse 6. سَنُقْرِئُكَ فَلَا تَنْسَى. We will make you recite, and you will not forget. Meaning, Allah promises the Prophet that he will preserve the Quran in his heart. Verse 7. إِلَّا مَا شَاءَ اللَّهُ إِنَّهُ يَعْلَمُ الْجَهْرَ وَمَا يَخْفَى. Except what Allah wills. Surely, He knows what is open and what is hidden. Meaning, Allah knows everything, both what people show and what they hide. Verse 8. وَنُيَسِّرُكَ لِلْيُسْرَى. And we will make easy for you the easy way. Meaning, Allah helps His messenger upon the path of ease, guidance, and righteousness. Verse 9. فَذَكِّرْ إِن نَفَعَتِ الذِّكْرَى. So remind. If the reminder benefits. Meaning, keep giving the reminder, because reminders help hearts that are willing to listen. Verse 10. سَيَذَّكَّرُ مَنْ يَخْشَى. The one who fears Allah will remember. Meaning, the person with humility and fear of Allah will benefit from the reminder. Verse 11. وَيَتَجَنَّبُهَا الْأَشْقَى. But the most miserable one will avoid it. Meaning, the person whose heart is hard will turn away from Allah's reminder. Verse 12. الَّذِي يَصْلَى النَّارَ الْكُبْرَى. The one who will enter the great fire. Meaning, the one who rejects truth faces the great punishment of hell. Verse 13. ثُمَّ لَا يَمُوتُ فِيهَا وَلَا يَحْيَى. Then he will neither die in it nor live. Meaning, it will be a painful state with no comfort and no relief. Verse 14. قَدْ أَفْلَحَ مَنْ تَزَكَّى. He has surely succeeded who purifies himself. Meaning, the person who cleans their heart and life through faith and obedience is truly successful. Verse 15. وَذَكَرَ اسْمَ رَبِّهِ فَصَلَّى. And remembers the name of his Lord and prays. Meaning, success belongs to the one who remembers Allah and establishes prayer. Verse 16. بَلْ تُؤْثِرُونَ الْحَيَاةَ الدُّنْيَا. But you prefer the worldly life. Meaning, many people choose this world first and forget the hereafter. Verse 17. وَالْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ وَأَبْقَى. While the hereafter is better and more lasting. Meaning, the hereafter is far better than this world and lasts forever. Verse 18. إِنَّ هَذَا لَفِي الصُّحُفِ الْأُولَى. Surely, this is in the earlier scriptures. Meaning, this message is not new. It was also taught in earlier revelation. Verse 19. صُحُفِ إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَمُوسَى. The scriptures of Ibrahim and Musa. Meaning, the message of worship, purification, and the hereafter was also in the revelations given to Ibrahim and Musa alayhima salam. Life lesson. Surah Al-A teaches that real success is not just enjoying this world. Real success is to remember Allah, purify the heart, pray, and prepare for the hereafter. A person becomes so busy with money, school, work, or social media that prayer becomes weak and the heart becomes distracted. Surah Al-A reminds them that this world is temporary. A Muslim should keep remembering Allah, keep praying, and not trade the hereafter for short worldly comfort. This surah lifts the heart toward Allah. It reminds us that Allah is the Most High, this world does not last, and the hereafter is better and more lasting. When we remember Allah and purify ourselves, we move toward real success. If this helped you understand the Quran better, subscribe to this channel Quran with Rahim and share this with one person.